Hi guys and happy August. I'm here to share with you today the inspirational challenge for this month. If you are new here and you don't know what I'm talking about, I issue inspirational challenges instead of fitness challenges or clean eating challenges, things like that. Our community here, Destination Angel, they're just a challenge to kind of get out there and make the world a better place, and we have been doing them for years, so welcome. If you're new, my name is Berta, and I'm a Mayo Clinic trained and board certified health and wellness specialist. Where I specialize is behavior change. We have just a wonderful community and we're happy to have you part of that. So today, you guys, so the inspirational challenge is this. I want to challenge you to notice our similarities and not our differences. So when we're out and about living our lives and we are in situations or circumstances or with groups of people or individuals, this opportunity will come up where we may see people that are different than us in some ways or views, whatever it might be. And so what I want us to do is challenge ourselves this month to really pay particular attention to our similarities, especially in situations that might be more challenging for us. I think this would be a compassionate way to approach that situation. Now, this particular challenge, you guys, was inspired by a post that I wrote back in May of 2015. And it was after I had spent time with the Special Olympics at an event. If you know me, I volunteer for years. A special shout out to Area 3 in Minnesota. I miss you guys. I can't wait for the pandemic to be over so that we can get back to our events. But this particular blog post that inspired this month's challenge was after a track and field event that I had volunteered at. It was kind of the theme. And the athletes, all the volunteers, everybody, it's so inspiring. And it's just kind of one of those things that maybe we take for granted in certain environments. The similarities that are there and things that bond us, but the differences can really create some difficulties that people experience, right? And so I want to just issue the challenge that what we can do is in situations, circumstances, events, there's going to be the opportunity to use this in lots of different areas in our life, but to take the time to notice our similarities and not our differences. And to take this one step further, I want to share with you today as someone. He is an athlete, and he's also an advocate, and he is an author. His name is David Egan. And David wrote a book that's very similar to the theme of our inspirational challenge this month. And I'm going to link it down below, but it's more alike than different. So it's very similar to our theme here as far as notice our similarities and not our differences. But I want to give a shout out to David Egan. It's a great book. It's very inspirational. And he is someone, like I said, that's an athlete, but also an advocate. He serves on a board of directors and an author. And make sure you check out his book to further your challenge of noticing our similarities and not our differences. So I appreciate you being a part of our community here and taking on these inspirational challenges. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if you have any ideas for future ones. Thank you for letting me share this with you, and I will see you next time.